everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Ask the Doc with me, Katie V, the Mary SLPD. Today I wanted to address one of the most frequently asked questions that I get, which is, what does that alphabet soup at the end of my name actually mean? For those of you who are wondering, my full title with credentials is Dr. Catherine Van Enkenvoort, SLPD, CCC-SLP. So yes, there really is an alphabet soup at the end of my name. What do all those letters mean? Let's break it down. SLPD stands for Speech Language Pathology Doctorate. So yes, I am actually a doctor, but I am not a medical doctor. I cannot diagnose health conditions. I cannot prescribe medications, and I cannot order diagnostic testing to help me diagnose a health condition. I can, however, request imaging such as a modified barium swallow study from the referring physician, the person who sent the patient to me, in order to help me plan appropriate treatment for dysphagia or swallowing disorders, if you will. The CCC stands for Certificate of Clinical Competence. A Certificate of Clinical Competence is awarded by the American Speech, Language, and Hearing Association when a clinician has met all of the requirements necessary to practice unsupervised speech-language pathology. So you have what is called a clinical fellowship year following your graduation with your master's degree. And during that time, you are supervised. And your credentials would typically read MS, CF, SLP, meaning you've completed your Master of Science degree, or if you went to a university offering a Master of Arts, it would read MA. You are a clinical fellow, meaning you just graduated, you are brand new to the profession, speech-language pathologist. And then, for example, at the end of my name, I also have SLP at the very end, which means I'm a speech-language pathologist. So you also have a master's degree. This is the level of education that most clinicians have. You have either a Master of Science degree or a Master of Arts, again, depending on the university that you went to. Certificate of Clinical Competence, once you completed that clinical fellowship year, and then SLP, speech-language pathologist. So, as an example, the first 10 years of my career, my credentials read Catherine Van Enkenvoort, MS, CCC-SLP. My name, I had obtained a Master of Science degree, and I had earned my Certificate of Clinical Competence in speech-language pathology. Another alphabet soup of letters that you might see after a name is SLPA. That stands for Speech-Language Pathology Assistant. Now, not all states acknowledge and allow SLPAs. For example, the state of Michigan, where I live, they do not acknowledge SLPAs. I wish they did, because I'd have at least one working for me right now. SLPAs can provide therapy services under the supervision of a certified speech-language pathologist. They just cannot provide testing and interpret test results. That component of what we do is exclusively for speech-language pathologists with a master's degree who have earned their Certificate of Clinical Competence. So I hope that helps you understand what the alphabet soup after my name is. And if you have any questions regarding any of the information that I've shared today or a topic for another episode, please let me know. You can email me at katie@speakupspeechtherapy.net, or you can drop me a line in the comments. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.